Sweetheart, this book is by Karma Wilson. It's called Bear Snores On. See how he's asleep? Bears like to sleep in the winter. See how it's snowy and cold? That's when the bear wants to sleep. There he is in his cave. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's too cold outside. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He sleeps through the whole thing. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. I'm gonna have a snack. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. He doesn't hear the slurps or the burps. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They're all keeping warm in his cave. They tweet and they twitter. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. See, he's still sleeping back there. And they're having a party. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. See, the pepper made him sneeze. Achoo! He sneezes and they all freeze. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Look, everybody's scared. They're all running away. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping. I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Now he looks happy. Now they're having another little party. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. And they all fell asleep. That's the end of Bear Snores On. Okay, sweetheart. See you next time.